Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Too many people live in badly designed houses, and we want to change that.
In today's episode, we're going to be carrying on our discussion about bathrooms and apartment lofts that was started with yesterday's question from SN about small apartments in Vancouver. And what we thought we would talk about today is non-standard layouts in bathrooms.
Yes, and you've always got to be careful with those non-standard layouts because there's always the potential for a design disaster to occur. So you have to keep your wits about you when evaluating.
Yeah, and this first example is one where there's some good points and some bad points. The good point is that it actually does do what we talked about yesterday, where the vanity is big enough that it has some storage. We've got the toilet over on the other side, and I actually really like this, that there's this little linen closet that shifts the bathtub down just a little bit so that you don't have that nasty conflict right there.
Yeah, and it's also easier to get in and out of the tub without having to jump over the toilet.
The problem, of course, is that we've got this door here, and then we've got this other door which allows us to have a guest access. And let me just clear away some of that red stuff. Look at what you're looking at. You're sitting there having dinner, and there's the direct view of the toilet.
Whoops.
Whoops, that's one of those problems that is not great.
Well, this one is much better. This is a non-standard layout where they've actually carved different things into the space. They've got a vanity here, which is a shared space with this closet for the master bedroom, which works well. I like the position of the toilet because it's right behind the door and it's not immediately obvious when you're looking into the space from the other living space. And then the tub, again, is tucked into the corner. There's a lot of room to move around in here. It seems very, very nicely done. Finally, this one is good. This is a tub-shower combo where we've got the tub and the shower against the same wall. I like it when they do that because if you have that as glass, it's going to make the bathroom feel quite open. Look at the size of the vanity here. Great, we're going to get 2 banks of storage. Tucking the toilet at the end of the vanity is really the best location in a large bathroom because you can't see it even from within the bathroom itself.
And it also eliminates that conflict between the bathtub and the toilet.
Exactly.
So remember, in non-standard layouts, the fundamentals still apply. You need to have lots of storage. You'd want to also make sure that by doing something that's not standard, you're creating a problem with privacy and accessibility.
See you tomorrow.